Mr. Loverman, this is Aaron. This is my question. Is this chick, I never slept with her, I never kissed her. She's always coming to my job every day stalking me. Mr. Loverman, what do I do?
Man, the stalker situations are usually one of the most annoying situations. You have to come clean. You have to come forward. You have to assess that what is it that you're doing that might be misleading this individual. You didn't kiss her. You haven't had sex with her. But there's something that's dragging her along to thinking that her daily visits, although unwarranted, maybe even unwanted, she feels is wanted, is invited. So you have to say to yourself, what is it that I'm saying or that I'm doing, or what kind of game am I kicking that is stringing her along? You have to tell her straight up, I'm not interested. If there's a friendship that's possible, I'm cool with that. But at this point in time, I'm not interested in anything more than a friendship. You're coming into my job every day, it's making me uncomfortable. Is there somewhere we can meet on common ground? It's on you, it's not on her. This time it's on you to step up and make a decision. Thanks for your question.